Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to do another unboxing video. As with the previous video, this is inventory for my knife business. So let's see what we got. And once again, I'll be using my Gerber EAB. And of course, a bunch of packing peanuts. So let's see what we got. Some cheap knives for $5 box. Some more cheap knives for the $5 box. I was getting low on the insect repellent for on my camping trips, so I ordered me some Ben's 100% DEET. Another popular cheap assisted folder. And again, assisted opening karambit. A couple of Fall Niven DC4 whetstones. Silicone gun and reel cloths. Mine are getting kind of dilapidated, so I ordered myself some. We were getting low on P38s, so 100 of them. Some miscellaneous sheaths. This is the Condor Huron. I'd wanted to order the one for this would have been in the last showing, but the my distributor was out of them, so I had to wait till this time. This is a Swiss military surplus hatchet. They're not the best hatchets out there, but for the price, I can sell them for like 25 bucks. It's a darn good hatchet. It's a pretty heavy head. One of the things I recommend doing with them is getting a short axe handle and using it as like a boy's axe because of the size of that head. and a marbles hatchet, and the sheath to go with it. I ordered 2 of these for myself. And that's it. Another small order. We didn't really sell all that much on the last show. Well, anyway, that'll be the stuff that we're taking to Bossier with us next weekend. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.